Good morning, everybody. This video is a quick video to teach you how to change the presenter permissions for your meetings. So this will have to be done for every meeting because unfortunately by default it allows every participant to be a presenter rather than an attendee. And this resolves the issue of students muting others or you, removing other students, and basically just having full control over the meeting. So the first thing you're going to do, let's say we're scheduling one of our meetings. So I'm going to do this under the tech support channel. Here we go. I'm going to schedule my meeting. Okay. So let's just say I'm going to name this practice. Again, you don't have to put any required attendees because anyone who is in that team will get an invite and see it. So I'm just going to set this, I'm just going to leave all this as is so we can hurry up and get it scheduled. So let's say this is all ready to go. I have my description in there and I'm good to go. I'm going to click send. Now my meeting should appear here. The last step to change the permissions is for you to click the three dots right here and click view meeting details. Now when you do that, you're going to get basically what you just had, but it has a new menu. So you'll see here it has some notes, the whiteboard, but this is what you want right here, meeting options. So I'm going to click meeting options and this should take me to the web. And as soon as this loads, you'll see right here, here's our problem. Who can present? It by default puts everyone. So I'm going to click that and change it to only me. Then I'm going to click save. This bypass your lobby in theory would be fantastic because it would mean that our students would have to wait for us to begin the meeting, but unfortunately they don't have an option. It just has people in my organization, which would be our students too. So that's unfortunate, but at least we can fix this, which is the major issue for a lot of us in our meetings. So that's all I really need to do. I'm going to click save. And once it says done, then I can close out this window and go back to my meeting and click close. And we should be all set. Now the last thing I want to show you, just because I'm already in here, is what Mr. Cook was saying in our meeting today, that after the meeting is done, you're going to want to go back to the view meeting details and cancel your meeting so that students can't go back and rejoin the meeting after you've left. And without your oversight. So those are the two things that I know some of us were struggling with yesterday, and hopefully this video helps resolve them. But feel free to reach out to me if you're stuck or having any trouble with it, and I hope you guys have a great day.